Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Oh, this is awesome. Hey, what are you doing? Creeping up on me like that. Well, since you're here, you want to give me a hand? Damn it. It's kind of a bummer. I know it was temporary, but I guess, 14 inches of snow will do that. Oh my. If I'd have thought about it, I'd have came up here and taken care of this. But I didn't. I did not. All right. So here's all the joints, whatever they're called. And there's all my mangled metal. Whew, all bent up. But here's what I got. I'm going to leave this up like this. I have it wired down to that other end. I'm going to leave this part of it up just because it's still covering my mill. But it is bent. I mean, you can see that guy right there. Definitely foobarred. So is that one there, kind of bent down some. But what I did was, because it was leaning this way, it was leaning to the right pretty hard, I took this strapped it down to that, pulled it straight. So, should be good. Keeping my mill dry, that's the main part of it. And this is just gonna force me, you know how it is, I just put this up temporary. Well, you see what happened to temporary. It didn't work out so well. But this is just going to force me to build my sawmill shed, which I'm actually going to push that way, because what I'd like to be able to do is have a section here that I can have just keep my skid steer right here, because this is not 98% of the time, this is where I'm using it, is up here with the logs, the sawmill. So if I can get it indoors up here, I'd be very happy. Yeah. So I'm going to start it over there by the wood pile, and then have a bay that I can put my skid steer in, maybe a small bay for tools or something, and then have all this for the sawmill. So that's my plan. We'll see how that goes, because I am so young and spry that I can just go 20 hours a day, right? So, all right. Oops, sorry. Oh, let's on to the next. Holy crap. I was just in here an hour ago, and there was nothing going on. I put more hay in, and bam! We come up here, and Shortbread had a baby!
Do you have more in there, honey? Please tell me you do. Look how pretty it is. Oh, the colors. Good girl, Shortbread. Oh, well, I was way off. Yes, look how beautiful. Oh. Oh, so excited.
Oh, it's going to nurse already.
Oh, it's nursed already. Look at that. You have nice teeth too. Shortbread, you sweet girl. Aw, I'm glad you've been staying in the
Right?
pen. I'm glad we brought her over.
Yeah, how about it?
Oh,
Oh, don't kick her. Or what is it? I don't even know.
well, let's just see.
Yeah, because you're wrong about 90% of the time. That looks like a girl.
Here you go. Here you go, baby. I don't want to stress you out. But look how beautiful she is, Shortbread. Oh my goodness. She's so tiny. She's so tiny.
Shortbread, why couldn't you have that on the live stream? Of course,
Well,
it
you
wouldn't.
can't see.
Yeah, I couldn't see it. But
Isn't that funny though? I said about you can turn the camera on
yeah.
her. But if you go back and you watch that live stream, you will hear her.
Lazy. Yeah, because I just come up here and I fed her more hay. I fed her more hay. I fed these guys more hay.
Shortbread had a baby.
Awesome. First Nigerian dwarf on the farm.
Yeah.
Roll that beautiful baby footage. Speaking of beautiful babies, look at those. Look at all those little. Where's Arctic?
Outside, the sparkles. Where else?
Little girl there chewing on a piece of hay.
I want to get you all stirred up. If you're not, I want to come in and sit.
Well, I think we're going to have to put a hut over here for her and the baby till it gets good and dried off and accustomed to the weather. Good morning, little guy or girl. It's a girl. It's a girl. Good morning. I think we're naming her Cookie. Shortbread. Oreo is the buck. Dwarf buck is not. This is not from Oreo. So look at that thing. She is so cute. Oh my God. Yeah. Good job, girlfriend. Oh, I know. Where's your kids? They're outside ripping and racing. You two need to knock it off. Yeah. Hi, Betty White. When are you two having your kids? And you over there in the doorway. Yeah. Oh, my nose is running. There's something in the air today. Hey, little girlfriend. What are you doing? What are you doing? What's up, little dude? That's a little dude. That's a little dude. This one's eating my pants. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Everything is working out awesome so far. I don't have any more issues with my fortifications. Really, really happy, other than the fact that we thought we were going to get triplets or twins or something, because she's thrown triplets every time before she came here. So, but we're still happy with that little girl. She is a cutie. So, yeah, we got Fiona's next. We're hoping Fiona and maybe Betty White. I don't know. Oh, don't step on the little girl. I think that's the girl. Yep, that's the girl. She's got the white head. So, but I got to go get more hay. And then our next video should be maple syrup. I got a tent 2 days ago, a new tent. You seen in the beginning of this video. The tent that I used that's over my sawmill shed. That was the same tent that I used for my maple syrup, the 3-4 weeks that we do it, or whatever it is. So that's destroyed. So we did buy a new one. I don't have no idea what it's going to be like. What else? But yeah, so the next probably couple videos will be maple syrup. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.